today's Google Classroom. Let's start with today's Google Classroom. It is about chapter first, thermodynamics. Today's topic we have to discuss are work done in a reversible and the irreversible processes. Before to start to this today's topic, in the last Google Classroom we have seen that thermodynamic it is a branch of physics that deals with heat and temperature and their relation to the energy, work, radiation, and properties of the matter. Behavior of these quantities is governed by the four laws of the thermodynamics, which convey the quantitative description using measurable microscopic physical quantities. So it is the definition of the thermodynamic. Then we have seen that what is meant by system, what is the surrounding, then what are the types of the system, open system, closed system. So today, start with today's topic, that is work done in a reversible and the irreversible process. What is a reversible process and what is the irreversible process? So in a thermodynamic, a reversible process is a process whose direction can be returned to its original position by inducing infinite changes to some property of the system via its surroundings. Throughout the entire reversible process, the system is in thermodynamic, that is equilibrium with its surroundings. Having been reversed, it leaves no change in either the system or its surroundings. Thermodynamic process can be carried out in one or two ways, that is reversible or the irreversible. Reversibility means the reaction operates continuously at QC equilibrium in an ideal thermodynamically reversible process. The energy from the work performed by or in the system would be maximized and that from heat would be the zero. However, the heat cannot fully be converted to the work and will always be lost to the some degree to the surroundings. This is true only in case of cycle. In case of an ideal processes, it can be completely converted to the work. Alternative definition, what is alternative process definition of reversible process? Is a process that after it has taken place can be reversed and when reversed, returns to the system and its surrounding to their initial states. Thermodynamic terms, that the process taking place would be referred to its transition from one state to the another state. So irreversible process, it is also called as a spontaneous process. The process which proceeds in a definite direction and cannot be reversed at any stage, it is called as irreversible process. There are some examples of these irreversible processes. There is a flow of heat from hot body to the cold body, flow of water from higher level to the lower level, flow of electricity from terminal to the higher potential to the terminal and the lower potential, flow of gas at higher to the lower pressure by the diffusion, flow of solvent into the solution through the semi-permeable membrane due to the osmosis. Irreversible process is unidirectional and cannot require aid of any external agency. Irreversible process is never isothermal. It always proceeds to completion spontaneously and it is a natural process. So these are the two processes we have seen today, that is a reversible process and the irreversible process. Thank you.